Hello students, now today we discuss another example in unit number 2 determinants and matrices. So in example number 1 here row type cos theta sin theta, second row minus sin theta cos theta. Evaluate this. Now solution, here given cos theta and sin theta the first row, second row minus sin theta cos theta is equal to first multiple principal diagonal elements. So here cos theta multiple cos theta minus subsidiary diagonal elements product, then sin theta multiple minus sin theta. So here cos theta multiple cos theta, that is a cos square theta, minus and minus, that is plus, sin into sin, that is sin square. This is the identity of trigonometry. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So here our answer is 1. Okay. Now second example, similarly evaluate sec theta, tan theta, second row sec theta. Evaluate this. So here again example, multiple to principal diagonal elements minus multiple to subsidiary diagonal elements. So this example complete to you. Self practice. આપી રહ્યો છું 1 + tan square theta મળે તમને, that is equal to sec square theta. So your answer is sec square theta. આ એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે હોમવર્કમાં પૂર્ણ કરીને બતાવશો. ઓકે. નાઉ થર્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ, સોલ્વ ધ evaluate row type 1 tan theta, here second row tan theta minus 1. Now solution, similarly example of first, here given 1 tan theta is the first row, second row tan theta minus 1. So here tan theta minus 1 is equal to multiple to principal diagonal elements 1 multiple minus 1. Now minus multiple to subsidiary diagonal elements 10 tan theta multiple tan theta. Now 1 multiple 1, that is 1, but here minus, so minus minus 10 multiple 10, that is tan square theta. Now here common minus, so minus common, so here 1 minus common, then minus minus plus, so plus tan square theta. But we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta because of 1 plus tan square theta is a sec square theta. Clear? Okay. Now here example number 4, evaluate cot theta and 1 is a first row, second row -1 cot theta. Similarly example third. So complete the you yourself. So here homework. Now here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta. So your answer is cos x square theta. આ તમને હોમવર્કમાં આપવામાં આવેલું છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2 સેલ્ફ પ્રેક્ટિસ એટલે હોમવર્કમાં જ છે. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 4 એ પણ 4 નંબરનું પણ સેલ્ફ પ્રેક્ટિસ છે, હોમવર્ક માટે જ છે, એટલે તમે પ્રયત્ન કરશો એમાં. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 5, ઇવેલ્યુએટ 1 log x base y is the first row and second row log y base x and 1. Now here solution. Given 1 log x base y log y base x and 1. So first principal diagonal elements multiple 1 multiple 1 minus subsidiary diagonal elements log x base y multiple log y base x log x base y multiple log y base x. Now here 1 multiple 1 that is 1 minus log x base y, then change the base, log x is numerator and log y is denominator. Similarly multiple log y base x, then log y is numerator and log x denominator, change the base, log y by log x. Now here log x and log x are same, cancel, log y and log y are same, cancel, that is 1 minus here 1. So 1 minus 1, that is your answer is 0. Complete? Okay. Now example number 6. First row log 3 base 6 minus 1. Second row log 2 base 6 and 1. So here solution. Now given log first row 3 base 6 and minus 1. Second row log 2 base 6 and 1. Now multiple the principal diagonal log 3 base 6 multiple 1 minus subsidiary diagonal minus 1 and log 2 base 6. Now multiple this one, that is log 3 base 6 minus and minus, that is plus log 2 base 6. Here log 6 is the same, then common, log 6 is common, then previous in logarithm rules of log. Log a plus log b. So common log, then a multiple b. So here 3 multiple 2, 3 multiple 2. So is equal to 3 multiple 2, that is 6 log 6 base 6. Now here base and index are same. So base and index are same. That is answer 1. So your answer is 1. Clear? Okay. Now example number 7. Solve the equation 3x 9 in the first row, 2 and 6 in the second row is equal to 0. Otherwise, if 3x 9 2 6 is equal to 0, then find the value of x. So solution. Now here given this part 3x 9 2 and 6 is equal to 0. Same process. First multiple to diagonal elements. So here 3x multiple 6. Now here minus. Now multiple subsidiary diagonal elements. 2 multiple 9 is equal to 0. Now 3 multiple 6. 3 6 ja 18. 18x minus 2 9 ja 18. That is equal to 0. So 18x is equal to 18 minus, then other side plus 18. So x is equal to, here 18 is multiple, then other side in divide. So 18 by 18 divide by same sankhya, then x is equal to 1. This is our answer. Simple? Okay. Example number 8. Solve the equation x plus 1 and 2 first row, 2 and x minus 2 is the second row is equal to 0. Now here solution. Given x plus 1 and 2 is the first row. Now second row 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So first multiple diagonal elements. What is the diagonal elements? X plus 1 and x minus 2. So x plus 1 multiple x minus 2. So from x plus 1 multiple x minus 2. Clear? Now subsidiary diagonal. What is the subsidiary diagonal? 2 and 2. So here minus 2 multiple 2, that is equal to 0. Now first x multiple x, that is x square. 1 multiple minus 2, that is minus 2. X multiple minus 2 and 1 multiple x, then 1 multiple x, that is minus 2x, and that is 1x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now x square, 2x minus 1x, that is minus x, minus 2 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 and minus 2. So x square minus x and minus 6 is equal to 0. Now factor of 6. Factor of 6. 3 and 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 3 to the 6. So here x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Now common part of x. So x minus 3. 2x માંથી 1x ગયો એટલે x minus x bar 3 plus 2 common here, 2 common, then x minus 2 3 ja 6 equal to 0. So here common x minus 3, x minus 3 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, otherwise x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here minus 3, then other side plus 3, so x is equal to 3, or here plus 2, then other side minus, then x is equal to minus 3. So value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Example number again. Solve 3x plus 1 for, sorry friend, here x plus 3 and 4, x minus 2 and 5 is equal to 13. Then solve the equation. Solution. Here given x plus 3 and 4, first row, x minus 2 and 5, second row is equal to 13. Now first multiple to principal diagonal elements. So x plus 3 multiple 5 minus subsidiary diagonal elements 4 multiple x minus 2 is equal to 13. X multiple 5, that is 5x plus 3 multiple 5, that is 15, minus 4 multiple x, that is 4x, minus 2 4 ja 8, that is 8 is equal to 13. So here 5x plus 15 minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 13. Now here plus 5x and minus 4x, plus 5 minus 4, that is 1x. 15 minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 13. Sorry, here minus minus plus, then here 23, 15 plus 8. So x is equal to 13, other side minus 23. So 13 minus 23, 10, but here sign is a minus, x is equal to minus 10. That is your answer. Okay.